The Collision Mitigation Braking System, or CMBS, is designed to alert drivers when it determines a frontal collision is possible, and, if one is imminent, to apply the brakes to mitigate the severity of a possible impact. When it determines a frontal collision is possible, the system is designed to issue a visual alert in the instrument panel, vibrate the steering wheel, and make a beeping noise. CMBS uses a radar unit mounted at the front of the vehicle and a windshield-mounted camera to gauge the distance of a detected vehicle or pedestrian ahead. You can adjust the system to issue the alerts when the detected vehicle is either farther away or closer to your vehicle. Although the system shown may appear different from your vehicle's, the steps are the same. With the transmission in park and the ignition on, press the Info button on the steering wheel. Then press the up and down arrows until Vehicle Settings is highlighted in the Driver Information interface. Press the Enter button. Then use the arrow buttons to find Driver Assist System Setup and press Enter. Press the up and down arrows to highlight Forward Collision Warning Distance and press Enter. Now you can scroll with the up and down arrows through your choices. The long setting warns you while the detected vehicle is farther away. Normal is the default setting from the factory, and short warns you when the detected vehicle is closer to you. When your desired setting is displayed, press Enter to select it. Now, scroll with the up and down arrows until you see Exit and press Enter. And to leave the customization area entirely, just press the Info button. If you want to turn CMBS off, press and hold the CMBS button to the left of the steering column until a beep sounds. CMBS will remain off for the duration of the drive unless you turn it back on with the same button. When the ignition is shut off and restarted, the system will default to on. CMBS may be able to slow the vehicle down, but it may not always be enough to prevent a collision. The system will not detect all possible obstacles. CMBS might deliver a false warning. As always, control of the vehicle remains with the driver. Failure to take action could result in a collision. See the owner's manual for complete system details and warnings.